For homeowners in Mobile, upgrading your bathroom doesn't have to mean a complete renovation or a massive expense. One of the smartest, most cost-effective ways to transform your space, while adding safety, comfort, and value, is by installing a walk-in bath. Walk-in baths have become increasingly popular across Mobile because they offer the perfect balance between luxury and practicality. Whether you're seeking improved accessibility, a more relaxing bathing experience, or simply a stylish update, this upgrade provides lasting benefits for you in your home. Here's why a walk-in bath is one of the best investments you can make for comfort, safety, and cost efficiency in your mobile home. Enhanced safety without the high renovation costs. One of the most significant advantages of a walk-in bath is safety, especially for seniors, people with mobility challenges, or anyone who wants to prevent slips and falls. Traditional tubs often require stepping over a high ledge, which can pose a risk, especially on wet surfaces. Walk-in baths, on the other hand, feature a low-threshold entry door, allowing you to walk in with ease. Most models also come equipped with built-in grab bars, non-slip flooring, and secure seating, reducing the likelihood of accidents. Best of all, you can often have a walk-in bath installed using your existing plumbing setup, making it a cost-effective solution that delivers maximum safety improvements without the need for a full bathroom remodel. A spa-like experience at home. Who says safety and luxury can't go hand in hand? Modern walk-in baths bring spa-quality relaxation to your home without the spa prices. Many models come equipped with hydrotherapy jets, heated backrests, and quick drain systems, turning your daily bath into a soothing, therapeutic experience. Hydrotherapy not only promotes relaxation but can also help relieve muscle aches, improve circulation, and reduce joint stiffness, a huge plus for older adults or anyone seeking wellness benefits at home. By investing in a walk-in bath, you're essentially combining safety, comfort, and self-care in one affordable upgrade that enhances both your lifestyle and your home's value. 3. Designed for comfort and accessibility. Mobile homeowners appreciate practical solutions that make life easier, and walk-in baths are designed with everyday comfort and accessibility in mind. Features like ergonomic seating, handheld showerheads, and temperature-controlled faucets allow for a completely customized bathing experience. You can relax in comfort without worrying about slipping, bending, or struggling to stand up. For households with multi-generational families, walk-in baths provide versatility, offering a safe bathing solution for older family members while remaining enjoyable and convenient for everyone else. Energy and water efficiency. Contrary to popular belief, walk-in baths are not wasteful. In fact, many modern models are engineered for water and energy efficiency. Thanks to improved insulation and compact designs, these baths use less hot water than a traditional bathtub while maintaining a steady, comfortable temperature. That means you can enjoy long, relaxing baths without overworking your water heater or running up your utility bills. Additionally, because walk-in tubs are built to last, their durable materials require less maintenance and replacement over time, another way they help homeowners in Mobile save money in the long run. Increases home value and appeal. If you're thinking about selling your home in the future, a walk-in bath can be a strong selling point. Buyers today appreciate features that blend modern convenience with practical safety. A bathroom with a walk-in tub appeals to families caring for elderly relatives, retirees, or anyone looking for added comfort and accessibility. Upgrading to a walk-in bath not only enhances your day-to-day living but also boosts your property's value, making it an investment that pays off both immediately and down the road. Professional installation. For lasting results. To fully enjoy the benefits of a walk-in bath, professional installation is key. Experienced installers in Mobile understand how to integrate your new bath seamlessly into your existing bathroom layout while ensuring proper plumbing, sealing, and safety standards. A quality installation ensures that your walk-in bath remains efficient, watertight, and durable for years to come, giving you peace of mind and long-term reliability. Final thoughts. Upgrading your bathroom doesn't have to mean spending a fortune or enduring weeks of renovation. With a walk-in bath, mobile homeowners can enjoy a cost-effective, luxurious, and safe solution that enhances daily life and adds long-term value to their homes. From energy savings and spa-level comfort to improved accessibility and home appeal, walk-in baths prove that smart home improvements don't have to break the bank. They just have to be well chosen. Experience the comfort, confidence, and cost efficiency of a walk-in bath, and turn your everyday routine into something extraordinary.